This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Command Prompt so you can query your machine directly. Type CMD in the Run box, then press Enter. This launches a shell that speaks to Windows networking. You do not need administrator rights for basic IP lookup, but make sure to close VPNs or heavy network apps first, since they can change visible addresses. Once the prompt is ready, you will run a short network command to reveal your current IP configuration. You type ipconfig and press Enter. This prints each network adapter and its addresses so you can see the how and why of connectivity. Look for the active adapter, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and read the IP4 address line. That is your local IP. Also note default gateway and subnet mask because they explain routing and network size. If you need a narrower result, append /all for detailed info and make sure to read adapter names to pick the correct interface. You can finish by refreshing or testing the network so your address is current and functional. If an IP looks missing or incorrect, run ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew to ask the DHCP server for a fresh lease. This often fixes transient issues. To verify internet reachability, ping 88888. Success shows routing works. If problems persist, check the cable or Wi-Fi, restart the router, and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.